Typically, we're all taught eat many meals and eat snacks. Why do you think that we're taught this way? Is it marketing?
It's interesting. If you go back to the 1940s, there was no type 2 diabetes, or it was so minuscule to not really be a problem. So there's been many things I'm imagining that showed up over the course of the decades that have contributed to this. But definitely one is just how many times we eat. Every time you eat a carbohydrate or protein, you're going to increase insulin. Insulin's your hibernation hormone. It's what stores fat, and it puts you into a growth phase. But if you never experience the famine state, if you never experience this other opposing force that's in our body, which is the repair hormone, growth hormone, then you're not really balancing out the equation. And so this is, yes, I think it's marketing. I think we have a snack culture now. We've got pantries of food and preserved food that lasts for a lot longer, so we can have a pantry. And these are all different reasons why. And the movement away from fat towards more carbohydrates and processed foods has been a huge part of that shift. And because the more you eat, the more often you eat, the hungrier you are. Your cravings actually increase with the more often you eat. And I know you're doing fasting as well. So it's a powerful change for people to actually get rid of the snacks and, again, starting point, I can do this feels okay, and then shrink it even more, and then realizing you're getting more energy by eating less often. So definitely marketing. The cereal industry benefited from that for sure. The snack industry, even the protein bars and stuff like that. There's a time and a place. It's not that anything's bad, it's just there's a time and a place.
Yeah. Awesome.